Wagwan YouTubers, it's your boy LB. This video I'm gonna show you 10 main camera angle shot which can help you to make the great video extreme good. Nice. So now let's get jump on it. Here we have a wide shot, full or a long shot, a medium shot, a medium long or cowboy shot, a tight or close-up shot, detail or extreme close-up shot, a high angle, a low angle, over the shoulder, a POV or point of view. A wide shot. A wide shot is usual to capture on wide angle lens so as to see more of your surrounding and is more frequently used when you are wanting to establish the location. Wide shot, also referred to as long shot, is the camera angle that shows the entire object of the person and their relation to what's surrounding them. A long shot, you can say a long shot or full shot, is the type of the camera shot in which character's entire body reach from the top of the frame to the bottom of the frame. In a full shot, a character is framed from the head to the toes. This shot allows the audience to see the emotion of the character's face simultaneously, seeing their physicality, body language, and action. A full shot can also capture the setting and the context of the character and can be used with the one or more characters. A medium shot. A medium shot or waist-up shot is captured at the medium distance from the subject. It is used for dialogue scenes, but also depict body language and more of the settings. Oftentimes it will frame multiple subjects as well as portion of the background and the space in general. A medium long shot, also you can call it a cowboy, is a shot of that frames character around the knees and up, and this shot size fall between normal medium shot and full shot. The medium full shot also refer as 3 to 4 shots or cowboy shot due to how often it is used to include their guns in the frame. A close-up shot. A close-up shot is a shot that frames the subject from just above their head down to about midway on their toes. The idea of the close-up shot is that you can still easily register the actor's motion and facial expression while also retaining of the sum of the background. A close-up is often to use when the scene needs to be covered with the standard coverage that doesn't shock their viewers. Often these shots are used when the scene calls for the neutral, native approach. A detail or extreme close-up shot. This extreme close-up shot frames subject very closely, often so much that the outer portion of the subject are cut off by the edge of the frame. On the actor, these commonly used to show the specific portion of the body, like the face or hip, but it can go closer to show only an actor's mouth or even single eye. A high angle is taken pointing the camera down on the subject. As the result, the subject is perceived as vulnerable and powerless. In the type of the shot, the camera angle can be anywhere from the directly above the subject to the just above the subject lines of the sign. A low angle. A low angle shot is taken from below the subject eye line pointing upward. This camera angle makes your subject look powerful and imposing. This angle can create a visual distortion in the type of the shot closer to the subject, as it is not common point of the view because of this. A low angle is commonly used with the wider frames such as medium or medium close-up, just close-up. Over the shoulder. An over-the-shoulder framing captures the subject from the behind another character. Typically, the shot will include the second character's shoulders and the part of their head. This camera angle is primarily used during conversation as it maintains both characters in the scene while focusing on the one at a time. A POV or point of the view. A POV shot shows what the character is looking at. It's used for the highlight specific details or actions, such as being the treatment or seeing in their reflection in the mirror. This type of the shot allows the audience to put themselves in the shoes of the subject. As the lizard is strengthened, their connection with the subject and the scene. Those are the 10 main camera angles that you can make your video more cinematic. And remember that when you use these camera angles, it makes you the best framing and the composition. So those are the great shots which you can use in your different kinds of video. Guys, if you have any question, please drop it in the comment down below. Let me know what do you think. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace.